there everyone, and welcome to my video. In this video, I decided to try doing something different, something I haven't tried before. I've decided to make my own Apple Watch strap using crystals. I haven't found any crystal straps so far, so decided to make my own. So stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoy this video. For this DIY, you're going to need an Apple Watch adapter or connector. You get it based on the size of your Apple Watch. I did end up getting a wrong size, but it still worked with me. Also, you need to get the crystals of choice. For me, I used this beautiful Pink Zebra Jasper. They're really so beautiful and they kind of look like marbles. You're also going to need an elastic. I use this clear elastic, but you can use anything you have, whether it's clear or colorful. And of course, you need your Apple Watch. Start removing your original Apple Watch bands to be able to put the adapters that you got. It's much easier to work with the adapters on the Apple Watch. Now start measuring the length of the elastics that you're going to use. You can do that by putting it against your hand and seeing where you need to cut. After measuring, I decided to cut 3 elastics because I want to make 3 bands. You can make as many bands as you want, depending on the beads you have. If you have bigger beads, you might only need to make 2 bands. Now start tying the elastic bands on the Apple Watch adapter. It's best to make multiple knots because it would be more secure that way. As for me, I've decided to make 3 knots and pull it really well to make sure it doesn't untangle. After tying the knots, it's best to put a dot of glue on each knot to make sure it doesn't entangle in the future. Now start adding the crystal beads. You can either add them randomly if you have different colors or in a certain pattern, however you want. Before tying the second knot, it's best to measure the crystal beads on your wrist and make sure it doesn't need more crystal beads, or if it's too big, you can make it smaller by removing some. Once you're happy with the fit, you can start tying the knot. Don't forget to add a dot of glue on the second knot. And now it's time to put the crystal beads on the other two elastic straps. I'm so happy with the final result. It turned out really beautiful, and it's something really different. I also decided to go with a pattern with my beads. I totally recommend trying this DIY. You're really going to love it, and play around with some crystals. I've also decided to create a bracelet with the beads because why not? Thank you so much everyone for watching this video, and I really hope I gave you a new creative idea to try. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!